Thank you, wonderful souls, for being with me here today for your Chakras Ascension reading. I do one of these every day to help us attune to the chakra associated with every day of the week. This will be for Mondays, which is the root chakra. If this one doesn't do it for you, you can go to my backlog of readings and just find another one for Mondays for the root chakra, and maybe that one will do the trick. So this is a 2-card reading. The first card is going to be about the root chakra itself, and because this is an alignment process, we are bringing in energies from either end or the earth realms and the higher realms. This one will just have an accompanying card representing the voice of the earth heart chakra. So our first card to address our question will be the question itself is, how can I feel supported, connected, and safe in my body to know that I am grounded in pure spirit? And we have affluence. Its affirmation is, I choose to be debt-free and to live an affluent and healthy life. So the card from the earth chakra is Our Lady with the moon at her feet. This card comes from my beloved Mother Mary Oracle. I have so many beloved decks. I always use a different deck for each position. It's like a compulsion when I started doing this process. So hopefully it will serve us all well as I learn all these decks. So some messages from this card. The power of habitual consciousness is mighty indeed. Even if we know we want to change, and even if we have taken practical steps to change, the challenge of sustaining ourselves in a new way without falling back into old emotional or psychological patterns can be extremely difficult. This is especially so if what you are seeking to change has been part of your core wounding this lifetime, becoming a habit that seems impossible to break, no matter how much you want to do so. There is a force of gravity that works upon us in this world, not only physically, but emotionally, and psychologically as well. It is why, despite tremendous desire and effort, change can be difficult most times, and sometimes even seem impossible at other times. In such instances, what is needed is the loving intervention and assistance of a being that is more powerful than the gravity that we are unable to counter through our efforts alone. There is no shame in this. In fact, there is wisdom in recognizing when help is needed and in accepting it. Like a growing plant that needs a trellis until it has stabilized itself, so too do we humans need divine support at times along our path as we are mastering new levels of consciousness, new habits, new ways of being. If it was easy, everyone would be living exactly as they wanted to be living without any struggle. Clearly, this is not happening in the world as often as we may wish. The Divine Mother will help you, will help us move through our struggles if only we allow her to do so. Her being, her love, is more powerful than our greatest forces of habitual consciousness and behavior. The miracles of her healing can transform even the most stubborn, pessimistic into an active optimist. This oracle is a wild card in the deck, in that it empowers and strengthens any other messages that you receive. Definitely. Well, that concludes our little mini reading for our root chakra today. Please join me tomorrow. I will be doing the sacral chakra. Thank you so much.